Thinking about using Uplisting to manage your short-term rentals? In this quick 3-minute review, I'll give you the honest truth about Uplisting in 2025, what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it's worth your money. Let's dive in. What is Uplisting? Uplisting is an all-in-one property management and channel management software built for Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, and more. It helps hosts and property managers automate bookings, sync calendars, manage guest communication, and streamline operations. Pros. For the pros, number one, we have instant sync, super fast syncing across platforms to avoid double bookings. Number two, automation tools. Automated messaging, reviews, and pricing updates save tons of time. Direct booking website. You can create your own booking site with no coding. Reliable support. Their customer support is responsive and knowledgeable. Number five, and not the last, security and access control. We have clean interface with user roles and two-factor authentication. Cons. It might be pricey for small hosts, starting around $100 per month. It is not ideal if you only manage one or two properties. Limited customization. Some users say the messaging templates and branding options are a bit restrictive. No mobile app yet. While the site is mobile friendly, there is no dedicated app as of mid 2025. Who is it best for? Uplisting is perfect for property managers or hosts with more than 3 listings who want automation, reliability, and fewer headaches. If you are just starting with one listing, you might find it overkill. Uplisting versus competitors. Compared to tools like Hostaway, Hospitable, or Logify, Uplisting stands out for its speed and simplicity. It is not the cheapest, but it is one of the most dependable. Final verdict. Now, if you are serious about scaling your rental business, Uplisting is a solid tool in 2025. But if budget is tight or you only manage one property, look into more affordable or app-based options first. And that's all for our today review. If you find this review helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and goodbye.